Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are stepping into class. Grab a pen and paper and have a seat. Class is in session. We're talking all things blush, how to blush stack, how to create the Hrush Flush. Something I accidentally happened to create, to be honest. Once upon a time on set, I put a lot of bronzer on and then I put pink blush over it, and the pink looked very awkward with the bronzer. So I toned it down with the pressed powder, added La Orange. I'll never forget the color that I first used was from Anastasia, La Orange. If you guys remember, then you remember. Over the bronzer, then I laid the pink on top of it, and magic, perfection, artiste. It changed how I sculpt, brighten, and bring life to the face forever. Let me show you how to get the Hrush Flush and why it's about to change the way you blush forever. Let's get started. The first step to the Hrush Flush is going to be using an amazing bronzer. Mario just launched the SoftSculpt blurring bronzers, and this is in the color medium. My first time using it, to be honest. In order to get this holy trinity on your face, you do have to use little product at a time. So, using a soft, fluffy brush. Wow, that bronzer is kind of everything. We are just going to apply it, brightening our face, okay? I like to pat and then sweep. Pinch, forehead, nose. Now I'm going to use the medium dark, and I like to play with this where I do 2 tones of bronzer. Everything is about tonality for me. And this is an amazing matte bronzer. I haven't found a really good matte bronzer in a very long time. Let's get nerdy. Peach and orange are adjacent to colors such as contour and bronzer on the color wheel. That means they're harmonious. They blend, not clash. Pink, especially cooler pinks, bring vibrancy. But when pink goes over bronzer, it can feel a little too stark, even look a little muddy. When placing pink on top of a peach tone, it fuses. It turns your blush from flat to sculptural to magique. And let me show you how you can turn out your face with the Hrush Flush. Come a little closer. This blush technique that I created is called the Hrush Flush. I'm actually so excited to break this down for you guys. I have been teaching this for decades now. You start off with a peach or orange blush. This is the blush that I'm using today, but you can use whatever orange blush is accessible to you. What you're going to do is be very intentional with the placement of your orange blush or your peach blush. You are going to layer it on top of where the bronzer sits. Not on the bottom, not equally at the same level as the bronzer, but a little bit on top, center and on top. Think of it like that. This is going to create your vibrance, where you're going to place the cooler pink tone. The magic of this combo is it mimics how real skin flushes. Blood flow isn't just one color. It's warm in some spots and cool in others, and we are doing this by applying peach and pink, mimicking life. It flatters every single skin tone. This is where you can get creative. If you want a lifted cheek, you can keep the pink high. If you want a sun-kissed flush, drape the peach wider. Want to tie your whole face together? Use that same pink on your lips, lids, whatever. It's your rules, your face, your canvas. Make it harmonious. You guys see it already. When you use just one tone of blush, it often floats. It's like sitting awkwardly between the bronzer and the highlighter without really blending either. That's why I started layering the peach underneath. Do you see how the pink just melts into the contour, into the peach? It brightens without shocking the skin. Think of it like an eyeshadow needs a crease color. That's our peach. Here's what the blush colors look like together. It's just a little whisper of cuties. There's so many different other La Orange or peach tones and pink tones that I mixed together. Definitely sound that off down below if you want to see other combos. But hold on, let me get my face all the way together. BRB. So the next time you apply blush, don't forget, don't just apply color, build harmony. Peach first, pink second. Let your face flow the way light and shadow naturally do, because that's artistic. That is the Hrush Flush. Thank you guys so much for watching. Tag me if you try the Hrush Flush, my technique. I want to see something new down below. Drop a peach if you're peach core, a heart if you love a pink pop, and stars if you're about to layer like a pro. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.